The National Weather Service has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Point Reyes to Pigeon Point, San Pablo Bay, Sassoon Bay, the West Delta, and the San Francisco Bay north of the Bay Bridge. Strong winds will cause hazardous seas which could capsize or damage vessels and reduce visibility. At 7:27 a.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 17 nautical miles northeast of Point Bonita to 12 nautical miles northeast to Point Ano Nuevo. Small craft could be damaged by higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Mariners should alter plans to avoid these hazardous conditions, remain in port, seek safe harbor, alter course, and or secure the vessel for severe conditions. This concludes the activation of the emergency alert system.
That's number 4.